In this video, we're gonna see NFT flipping strategy that gonna make some quick bucks. So let's go. First of all, this strategy name is called Quick Demand Sweep Strategy. If you ask me why this name is weird, because this is the name I came up with, so accept it. If this strategy gonna work, we need two tools. The first one is obviously Magic Eden, and this is the Magic Eden, and the second one is called Soul Sniper, and this is the website that gonna tell what is the demand is. And with this website, so keep watching till end to find out the strategy. If you're gonna miss any part, you're gonna get rug pulled or you're gonna get lost your money, because I got once rug pulled using this strategy. So keep watching and find out what the step you're gonna take to make some quick bucks out of this strategy. First, we're gonna use Magic Eden. First, come to Magic Eden, and second, find out the popular collection. Click 24 hours and just click this random collections. Just open this random collection on new tab and just go through that volume amount. You can see this is the one of the hyped up project in Solana, and this getting lots of people coming to this project, and you can see the floor price is 31. If you notice this floor price is way too much, just click. This is the reject number 1, click, and second is called Defi Pirates. If you have 6 souls, just go through it and just use this method. And for the sake of this video, I just choose this project because this is the new project and the floor price is 2 souls, around 2 souls. And the second step we're gonna use is called come out to this activity. And if you see like this, the minute ago, because the people are buying crazily this project, that means you can just buy this project and sold this project right away, and you can make some quick buck out of this. Simple, you can see 33 minutes, 32 minutes, and this volume are going on and on again. You can see, just find this project like this and you can good to go. If you don't know how to find project like this, just go for Sniper, and this is the method we're gonna use to find good project. Just come out to this and just look the volume, click it on 1 hour and just choose the volume. If it over 1k souls, that is the good sign to go. If you less than 100 souls, that probably not gonna make some quick bucks. If you over 1k, and you can go and you can get your quick bug out of the project. And you can see there is a lots of project in this sniping tool, and just come out to this, and just for the sake of this video, I just add this one, Goldie Saga Heroes, and Monkey Cube. Once you add it, just go to watch list, and you can see the price and the flow, and this is how it's work. You can see the price. Once you click this, it's automatically take you to this project page, and if you find some good, I can show you this. I can show this method with this project. You can see the floor price is 2.25 souls, and the next soul price is 3.2, and you can easily get it. You can bought this NFT with 2 souls, and you can easily flip this around 3 souls. You can get almost 0.75 souls profit easily. You can get, because the floor is very thin. Thin means how much NFT between the first floor price and your targeted floor price. You can see this is the first floor price, and if this case your targeted floor price is 7 soul, and there is almost 6 NFTs are in between. If people are bought those NFT, floor price is gonna be 7. The one step you need to do to avoid rug pull or not getting this strategy work, that is find the good project. If you find some bad project, like I said before, below 1k soul trading volume, you're not gonna make quick snap. You just wait and hold. Once the floor is priced over the purchase amount, you can make some quick bucks, or else the floor is may go up or may go down, we don't know. So invest in good project. Just to find this project out like this, and click a Twitter and click a website and find out the Twitter followings and the engagement. This project is way too good, because you can see that almost has a 15,000 followers, and they just listed in Magic Eden. That's why the volume. The one simple cool trick is just to find a new listing project, because new listing project has hype around it, and you can make some quick bucks out of it. it is a old project, but it is a good project, that's also good, but you need to hold a little bit, because you can do this quick snipe the old hyped up project. If you get a new hyped up project, you can good to go. You can just do this quick demand snipe strategy, and you can make some quick bucks out of this strategy. And beware of this is not any financial advice. Do your own research. This is the strategy I used to make some quick bucks out of this, and also I got rug pulled using this strategy, because I didn't follow these steps, just find a good project step, because I just randomly go and find a project like this, the volume is crazy, and just bought, and hour later that project is got rug pulled. So I got rug pulled and I lost one soul. This is the story I've been through. This is a simple strategy for a quick buck. If you find this hyped up most volume like this, and you can get some quick bucks out of it, and this project is also good project, you can hold, and this may go up, because this project is staking project. You can earn passive income. You can stake this NFT and earn passive income. The one main step is find a good project, then you can snipe a good NFT and make some quick bucks. If you watch this till end, I summarize this strategy once again. First, find a good project that is recently listed on Magic Eden, and that project also need to have some good amount of engagement and good amount of hype around the project. Once you find a project like that, just go to activity tab and see this like time, minute ago. If you see like this, and you can get your second tick. Just to go and see the floor price. If the floor is too thick, that's gonna not work. If the floor price is thin, that's gonna work. Like I said, you can buy this NFT, and you can easily list this NFT at 3 souls, and people are gonna buy, because this NFT getting the hyped, and you can easily flip this NFT, because this is the new listing NFT. People are buying because they missed the mint and they want the NFT, so you can just snipe the NFT and sell it. This is a good strategy for quick bucks. This strategy has lots of risk, because some project not gonna do well and the price may go down. So the important step is find a good project. If you find a good project, this strategy is gonna make you some fortune. This is a good strategy. If you have any doubt about this strategy, just leave a comment. I just clarify your doubt. And if you like this video, share with your NFT friends. And I see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. Thank you.